Hi guys. My first attempt at trying to convert my Bobble Head Grandad to a self-righting Grandad. One of those ones that should stand upright each time. Failed. I filled that with plasticine, but it wasn't enough to give us a centre of mass in the right place. So it was tipping over. So I've printed a new bowl or cup, or what you want to call it. I need to clean that up a little bit. And he should fit in there. So we'll fill that up with plasticine, or at least fill the bottom of it up with plasticine and see if we can get that to work. I'll clean that up first, smooth it off. A bit of sandpaper. Alright, that's a bit of plasticine in there to balance it. Well, that's a bit better. Yeah. So there we go. There is a toy called a Weeble. Somebody commented on the first video of self-righting Granddads that I did. That one was slightly different. Weebles wobble, but they never fall down or something. I think it was the original advertising tag. Okay, well that seems to work. I've still got another stage to go here where somebody else wanted me to see if I could then put that on top of a solar rocker base so that he starts rocking when the sun shines. So what I need to do there is put a magnet inside underneath all that plasticine that will react to the solar rocker coil. Just for comparison, that's the original one I did. That's the dome from a LED light bulb. Got some lead weight in the bottom of it and then filled with 2-part epoxy resin. Come on, Grandad, don't let me down. There we go. Right, so that'll do for this episode. Next episode I will look at putting a magnet in there, putting that on top of a coil. Oh, where are you going, Grandad? Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.